All right, I'm here in Tulsa at the corner of 21st and Main, and this is what's left of the famous, what they called the Hex House. And there was a house here back, the story dates back to about World War II. There was a woman named Carol Ann Smith who lived in a house on this property. Excuse all the noise. Anyway, it's a pretty interesting story. There's not a whole lot about it on the internet because I don't think people really know a whole lot about who Carol Ann Smith was. They don't even think that was really her real name. Anyway, there was a large house on this property, and it was a duplex. I'm gonna go up these stairs here. And Carol Ann was very strange story, because she moved into a duplex. I'm presuming she rented it. She had two women with her that she met under kind of unusual circumstances, I guess. And these two women were her quote-unquote roommates, who she supposedly cast a spell on. And those two roommates would go to work, and when they would come home with their paycheck, they would give her the paycheck. And a whole lot of weird stories and mysteries surrounding this figure. But anyway, the house is obviously no longer here. It was torn down in 1975. And the reason I'm taking a video of this is because I have a feeling that this parking lot is going to be gone. These are all brand new houses being built. It's only a matter of time before this is completely torn down or redeveloped or whatever. The stories, the myths that go along with this parking lot are that cars will start by themselves, and other unusual paranormal phenomenon, I guess. Supposedly the basement of the house was filled in. It wasn't like completely removed, so to speak. It was just kind of filled in. And anyway, interesting kind of piece of local history here. I think this is going to get redeveloped. I'm actually shocked that it isn't redeveloped yet, because this area has seen a lot of new developments. And anyway, so this is literally the location right about here of Carol Ann's Hex House, right about where I'm standing now. It's kind of a really nice neighborhood. This must have been really nice back in the 40s.